So welcome here. I'm a teacher first. Today you are going to correct district comprehensive assessment term 2. We are in mathematics subject in class of P6. So keep follow careful and like, share and comment. Please subscribe in order to receive every video. So welcome to this correction. We are going to start from the last question up to the first one. Please follow carefully and your reaction is needed here. You're welcome. This is question number 13. Question number 13. A P6 people was sent to the market with 30,000 Rwandan francs to buy the items shown in the table below. A. Complete the table below. The table is this. So this is items is here. Here we have price, costs per item, these ones. We have also total amount. The total amount is this one. Question number B, how much did he remain with? How much did he remain with? So, in order to answer this given question, first of all, this is the amount of money that Lena has. So, in order to find this one, we may take this amount divided by this number of items in order to get the cost per time. In order to get total amount, we may take items number, the number of items times or multiplied by price in order to get total amount. And also in order to get the items, we may take total amount divided by the price. I may get this one. This one divided by this to get this. In order to get price, we may take a total amount divided by items. So this is an expenditure. In order to get the total expenditure here, we may add this one, this, and this one. All of this. We may add them in order to get the total expenditures. So you're welcome. Please look forward and check whether each question answered to you. So you're welcome. Then let's start. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are in the P6 class, mathematics. As I told you in different statements, I have given you different series of questions to be corrected in the district comprehensive assessment. So now we are going to correct question number 13, which is the last one, in order to go until the first question. So this we have given assessment to be solved. A P6 people was sent to the market with 30,000 francs to buy the items shown in the table below. The table below is this one, as you see. Question 1. A. Complete the table below. Complete the missing numbers in the table. So here we have given items in this side, price or cost per item this one, total amount in this one. So in order to get the price or cost per item, we may take total amount divided by the number of items. In order to get this price, we take the total amount divided by find the total amount. In order to get total amount, we may take the number of items multiplied by cost per items. So this and this to be multiplied, you may get total amount. In order to get this one, is the same as this one. We take total amount divided by number of items. And this is a question to be solved. We may find out the number of items. In order to get the number of items, we may take total amount divided by the cost per item. This made by this number, you may get the number of items. So welcome, careful. I'm a teacher first. For careful, please subscribe. Please subscribe for next videos in order to collect all the questions given here. So you're welcome. Question number 1. To complete the table, I'm going to find the number to be here, to put here. I'm going to take this by items. So 1,200 divided by 3. 1 divided by 3 is impossible. I'm going to take 2 numbers. 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. And then negative. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. I may bring it down with 0. 0 divided by 3 is equal to 0. 0 times 3 equal to 0 minus 0 minus 0 equal to 0. I may also bring it down with 0. 0 divided by 3 equal to 0. 0 times 3 is equal to 0. And then minus 0 minus 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. This is the final answer. The cost per item is equal to 400. This is 400 kilograms. Now, total amount. How to find out the total amount? We're going to multiply number of items and cost per item. This number multiplied by this one. So, we may take 1,500 times 0 multiplied by 5. By 5 as I told you. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 0 is equal to 0. 5 times 5 is equal to 25. When we write 5, I carry out 2. 5 times 1 is equal to 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. This is the final answer. That is the total amount. It is equal to 7,500. Now, so let me create here. Now, we are going to find the cost per item. We are going to take the total amount divided by number of items. 14,000 divided by what? We may take this divided by this one in order to get cost per item divided by 4. 1 divided by 4 impossible. I'm going to take 2 numbers. 14 divided by 4, I may put 3. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. I may bring it down with 0. 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Then minus 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. I may also bring it down to 0. 0 divided by 4 equal to 0. 0 times 4 is equal to 0 minus 0 minus 0 equal to 0. I may bring it down with 0. 0 divided by 4 equal to 0. 0 times 4 is equal to 0. Then 0 minus 0 equal to 0. The answer of the cost per item is 3,500 We are going to find the number of items, number of loaves of bread. We're going to take the total amount divided by item, or equals per item. We're going to take 3. Sorry. Let me create. I'm going to get space. 3,500 divided by also 700. So, what can we do? First of all, we may simplify those given zeros. It is possible because you have this one divided by 700. Simplify zeros, and then you may have 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7, what can I put? I may put 5. 5 times 7. This is equal to 35. Then minus 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 2 minus 3 equal to 0. The answer is equal to 5. Here I may write 5 as the answer. Now, we're going to find the total expenditure. Total expenditure, as you see, total expenditure, we're going to add total amount in order to get total expenditure. We're going to take 1,200 flats plus 7,500 flats plus 14,000 flats plus also 300, 500 flats, which can be need to add. So we need to add this one, 1,200, 7,500, 0,057, 14,000, 0,041, and 3,500, 0,053. Then plus. Here I may put 0, 0, 0 in order to have equal digit place value. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 0 equal to 0. Plus 0 equal to 0 plus 0 equal to 0. 2 plus 5 equal to 7. 7 plus 0 equal to 7 plus 5 equal to 12. I write 2, I came out 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 plus 7 equal to 9. 9 plus 4 equal to 13. 13 plus 3 equal to 16. Then write 6, I came out 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 plus 0 equal to 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Plus 0 equal to 2. The answer is equal to 26 and 200. 6,000